Around 2 weeks before Christmas, I was thinking of updates I could make to turn my videos from good to great. A new intro, maybe better lighting equipment, trying to streamline my editing process. All things I thought of, but I knew one thing. I was looking for a new mic. I mean, everyone has a Yeti, and while it's good for voiceovers, static shots, or ASMR channels, I do travel a lot now, mainly for my job, so I needed something that could do everything, so that led me to something like this. This is the Rode VideoMic NTG, a mic I was planning to buy at the start of 2020, but Rode Microphones actually sent this to me alongside a nice t-shirt, sticker, and pin. So quick shout out to Rode Microphones for sending this out to me. Now let's get started with the little review. To start off, the VideoMic NTG looks like basically any of the other video mics that Rode offers. They all kinda look the same, but what makes this guy stand out, at least in my opinion, is the feature set. The mic clips onto your camera through the hot shoe mount, and when the mic is connected to your camera through the mic jack, it turns on when your camera's on, and turns off when your camera's off. So you won't ever drain your battery unnecessarily or forget to turn the mic on. This mic has a USB Type-C port that can be used to charge it, even while it's in use, and the mic actually has a built-in battery that lasts up to 30 hours between charges. On the mic itself, there are two buttons that can control different features like a high pass filter, a -20 dB pad, and high frequency boost. One of the settings even allows you to record audio in both channels, but one of them is -20 dB, meaning you are less likely to have clipping audio when someone screams like this. There's a little knob on the back of the microphone that lets you control gain on the fly, giving you flexibility if you're behind the camera. That's right, this weirdly shaped Elvis head looking microphone can be used as a USB microphone for things like voiceovers and streaming. And I think that makes this mic amazing, because now instead of having multiple mics with different purposes, you can use one to meet all of those criteria. This has become my go-to mic for travel because of its versatility, and unlike a certain super popular mic, it won't get checked by the TSA as often. At least I hope not. I haven't traveled enough with this yet. Now let's talk about sound quality. I think this is where you put on your best pair of headphones and listen to the audio of me in different environments. Oh, and here's some timestamps. Let's get started. I'm about 1 foot away from the mic right about now, and there's a ceiling fan going off in the room that I'm in. But other than that, I'm in generally the same area I do most of my videos, and this is how it sounds. I'm in the corner right next to my closet. Ceiling fan's going off. If you can hear it, then we'll hear it through here. The windscreen of the mic is on, and I'm gonna read a small portion of the script of my last video. So around a week before Christmas, something bad happened. My whole life changed. My 2016 MacBook Pro died. I cried like a baby that day. Not really, but basically that meant the video I meant to upload onto YouTube, ironically my original 3-year experience with the MacBook Pro, was delayed and will never see the light of day. But this video is still about my 3 years experience with it and my time spent with 2 recalls for this one machine. No, that's not a typo. And no, I didn't mistakenly put that on the teleprompter I'm reading off of. The machine had to be fixed twice. Anyway, let's get started. So this is what I believe your typical streamer's setup would be like. The mic is directly in front of me, and right behind that is the keyboard and mouse to the side. And here I am pretending that I'm actually playing video games, things that I'm not too good at. There's spacebar. This is a Razer keyboard with Razer green switches, so they're really clicky sounding switches. You can definitely hear it. And this is how it does in this kind of scenario. How well can you hear the keys? Here I am, just pressing the keys in the background. Here I am, making just mouse clicks. And here I am, talking, using the keyboard, and using the mouse. I'm currently in downtown Houston. Behind me, cars are flying by and the wind's blowing. And this is how the mic sounds in its most strenuous testing environment. You can probably hear the wind blowing actually, and you can probably hear the cars as well, which is good because we want to test this thing to its max, right? All right, so guys, tell me how it sounds, and I'll just shut up for a second so you can hear the background and how bad it is. Okay, no cars are passing by, so you can't hear it. But let me know in the comment section if this mic did a good job with the overall background noise. Thanks. So now that we went through all the positives of this mic, I want to talk about some things I personally consider negatives, and these honestly might be a little bit nitpicky. That's because the mini tripod stand for the mic is actually sold separately, which I think if they really want to appeal to streamers or people who do voiceovers with this mic, the inclusion of that would do great. But then again, playing devil's advocate here, most streamers may want to just opt for a mic arm. Also, I kind of wish they had more accessories for the mic. The ones they showcase on their website just doesn't do the versatility of this mic justice. Other than those things, it's difficult to find too many faults with this mic. Overall, I think this mic is a content creator's wet dream. It's a great on-camera mic with quality of life features, and it can quickly adjust and double as a voiceover and streaming mic. It's a mic that does a lot, and one that now has a solid place in my travel video gear. Anyway guys, what do you think? Does this mic meet all of your needs, or do you prefer the more segmented approach where one piece of gear does one thing and you have different pieces that do different things? Or is one size fits all good enough for you? Leave that all down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and well, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.